There's no better way to add a pop of seasonal colour to the garden than with bulbs. You can plant them in big, bold groups amongst your shrubs and perennials. You can plant them in drifts beneath deciduous trees, or if you're tight on space, they look just gorgeous growing in pots. If you plan carefully, you can have bulbs flowering in your garden in every season. Autumn is the time to plant all of those showy spring flowering varieties, like daffodils, anemones, ranunculi, tulips and freesias. But come winter, it's time to get summer beauties like liliums, gladioli and bearded iris into the garden. And as soon as spring hits, you can turn your attention to planting more stunners like dahlias, hippeastrums and water lilies for a riot of colour. I love the anticipation of planting a bulb, waiting for those green shoots to poke their way through the soil, grow, burst into bloom and put on a spectacular show, and then slip silently back into the soil. They can look deceptively delicate, but many are tough, drought-resistant and easy to grow. Most bulbs like to bask in the sunshine, so choose an open, sunny spot with well-drained soil. Now, as a general rule, bulbs like to be planted about 2 to 3 times as deep as they are wide. But don't worry too much because the spacing and the depth is always on the back of the packet. They also like to be planted pointy end up, with the exception of ranunculi, which like to be planted claw down. Now, I also like to give them a good dose of complete bulb food, both at planting time and again when they finish flowering. Flowering bulbs are perennial in nature, so they're set and forget plants and can be left in the ground to multiply and flower year after year, with the exception of just a few, like tulips, which like to be lifted each year. No matter how small your garden is, there's always room for a few bulbs in decorative pots. So keep an eye out for some of those petite pretties, so miniature daffodils, anemones, spring starflowers, the small bulbs that are tailor-made for pots. But I also like to grow a few of the classics, like the spring flowering daffodils, hyacinths and tulips in decorative pots or window box planters. You can plant your bulbs closer together in pots than you would in the garden, but just make sure you don't allow the bulbs to touch each other or the sides of the pot. And if you've got a pot that's deep enough, you might want to think about growing your bulbs in layers so that you get a succession of colour. Good drainage is also really important, so make sure you use a good quality potting mix.